The MARS Unmanned Surface Vessel, USV, developed by British company SubSea Craft, is a multi-purpose, autonomous maritime platform designed for modern naval warfare. Unveiled on May 1, 2025, in Portsmouth, UK, it was created in just 100 days to meet growing global demand for advanced USVs. MARS is a low-signature, high-speed vessel with modular mission flexibility, suitable for blue water, littoral, and inland waterway operations. It supports autonomous or manned, unmanned teaming (MUM-T) missions, including persistent intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance (ISR), counter-uncrewed systems (UXS), and full-spectrum ISTAR, intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance. It uses an open architecture digital control system evolved from SubSea Craft's Victa platform, allowing integration with scalable C5 ISR networks and various kinetic/non-kinetic payloads. MARS can act as a wingman to reduce risks to manned platforms, conduct long-range surveillance in degraded communication environments, and support distributed maritime operations. Its versatility makes it ideal for high-risk missions, where manned assets are less viable. Manufactured in the UK, MARS underwent extensive testing with UK-US partners, including open water trials with the Australian Maritime College. Its rapid development reflects SubSea Craft's focus on scalable, in-country technologies to enhance domestic and allied maritime capabilities. The vessel will be exhibited at major defense expos in 2025, including SOF Week in Tampa, DEFEA in Athens, and DSEI in London, highlighting its role in modernizing naval forces. The MARS USV responds to the evolving role of autonomous systems in maritime conflicts, as demonstrated by their use in the Ukraine conflict, where USVs disrupted larger naval assets in the Black Sea. It represents a shift toward modular, unmanned platforms for enhanced maritime superiority.